Price some more. Hi.
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Start twerking.
Hi, Jill. On the way. Bye-bye. Bye, Jen. Sorry, hindi malam mo. Bye-bye. Bye.
Yesterday was fun. I really chilled that day, especially with Jillian because I really miss her a lot. And I didn't have much time to vlog because we're really on, oh, alam mo ba yung gato? Oh, alam mo ba yung ganyan? Oh, gato ganyan. So, yeah.
Brad, ito na yung mukha namin. Pinabati ko nga pala yung nanay, tatay ko. Makikita na naman ako na to. Saka si RB, makikita nyo siya sa TFC mamaya. Bukas sa... Anong yun? Kabayan Weekly. Pamilya TV. Kabayan Weekly. Tsaka ito po yung tropa naming Pogi. Ayan, si Sir. Tapos may tropa rin kaming bading na taga... Nasidiya, ayan no. Bading na naghahabol sa bading. Ayan. Salamat!
Tumulong sa props, maraming salamat po. It won't be possible without your help and without at makapag-perform ng mas maayos at mas mag-enjoy mo pa. Maraming salamat. Walang bibitaw po na ha. Okay. Alright, very good. Okay, hanap dito. Aboy!
Just got out from the bus and it's around 2 and the fucking gate is locked. Oh well, good night.